Hi, it's Bob the Toolman here, and today I'm going to show you how to properly put a plug in a wall. For these purposes, we are going to use one dimension of plug. There is a various dimensions that you can use, but I choose to use only one today just for demonstration purposes. So we can choose the plug with a different type of screws. You can use the positive drive, or you can use the torque head screws for the plug. Also, you have to choose the proper drill for this job, so don't make a mistake. This type of drills are HSS for metal. You can also drill wood with these drills, but not concrete or beton or brick. This is a drill just for wood, and you cannot drill metal or concrete or masonry. So you have to find the proper drill. This is the proper drill for drilling in concrete, brick, or any other masonry type, but not tiles. Tiles require a different type of drill. For this job, you will need a punch, hammer. Also, for the screws, depending on the head, you can use the drill bit holder, and in this case we are using these two types of drill bits for screwing the screws. So we have Torx 30 and positive drive 2. So in the drill bit holder we put the proper drill bit, and see, so it can fit perfectly. But or if you use this type of head, then this is the proper drill bit insert that you have to use. Also, in this case, you can use a cordless drill driver that has hammer action for masonry drilling, brick or concrete, or you can use electric. The electric has the same option as the cordless, just it's more powerful. Also, I'm going to use with the depth guide, so if I need, I will first insert the drill, and to see, this is the plug that I'm going to insert. To see the depth of the plug that I need to put in the wall, I don't want to make a big hole and a big mess. So I'm gonna insert the drill in the chuck like this, apply it slowly. And now it's all set, and I'm gonna measure approximately how deep I want to go. So it's up to here, and I'm gonna set up my let's see, does it fit? No. And yes, it should be the proper depth. so I have to go up to here, not all the way down. In this case I protect the chuck as well, and I don't make a bigger hole that I need. So let's do the actual drilling now.